Welcome to Our Night Sky on Astrocast.tv. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen, and this month we'll focus on some of the many wonderful sky sights visible starting after sunset. If it's cold where you are, be sure and dress warmly, and bring along binoculars or a small telescope to enhance your viewing. If you're a moon gazer, get ready to check out the full moon on February 7th. And then 2 nights later, look for the moon close to Mars in the southeast part of the sky. In the western part of the sky, just after sunset, look for Jupiter and the planet Venus. Orion the Hunter is one of the most famous constellations in the sky. It has a distinctive box shape with 3 stars running through the center. The bright star Betelgeuse forms the shoulder of Orion. It's a massive supergiant star that will someday explode as a supernova. Orion is a great constellation to look at with binoculars or a telescope. For example, you can observe the Orion Nebula right here. It's a starbirth region that lies about 1,500 light-years away from us. Astronomers are finding newborn stars and the beginnings of planetary systems within its boundaries. Now, there's a hidden side of the Orion region, and it comes out best in astrophotographs. This is the Orion Molecular Complex, a series of clouds made up mostly of interstellar dust intermixed with hydrogen gas. The Orion Nebula is just one part of this massive complex, and astronomers are continually studying this region to understand the process of star formation. The 3 bright stars in the center of the constellation Orion point to the star Sirius. It's the brightest star in our nighttime sky, and it lies 8.6 light-years away from us. To the south of Sirius is the bright star Canopus, in the southern constellation Carina. If you're stargazing from the southern hemisphere, look south of Canopus for the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds. These are companion galaxies to the Milky Way. Look near the Small Magellanic Cloud for a fuzzy-looking globe of stars called 47 Tucani. It's a naked-eye globular cluster containing millions of stars packed into a region of space about 120 light-years across. Check it out with binoculars or a small telescope. Astronomers have searched this globular cluster for evidence that planets may have formed around some of its stars. So far, they haven't found any. But they have discovered many exotic stellar objects nestled among the stars of this cluster. They found white dwarfs, blue stragglers, X-ray binaries, pulsars, and neutron stars. Well, that's just a small taste of the many great sky sights you can find during February. Remember to step outside each night and take in the wonderful starry view. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen for Our Night Sky, wishing you all clear skies from Astrocast.tv. Music for this episode of Our Night Sky is on the album Stella Novus from geodesium.com.